Mangesh Malap is an electrician living in Virar, around 70 kilometers from Mumbai. He works over 12 hours every day to make around 650 rupees a day, which works out to around 20,000 rupees a month. He uses this money to support not just his family of three, but his brother's widow and children, and contribute to running the joint family he's a part of. So when he lost 46,500 rupees to a fraud, it was a big jolt.
सडनली कॉल आया और मेरा 1 महीने से यूज़ नहीं किया था मैं एटीएम कार्ड, तो सडनली कॉल आया और आपका एटीएम कार्ड बंद होएगा, ऐसा होएगा वैसा होएगा। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा कुछ बोला, आपको ये नहीं कर सकते, अकाउंट कुछ ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं कर सकते, तो आप नंबर दे दो, मैं ऐसे एक्टिवेट कर देता हूँ। तो मेरे को सडनली कुछ इतना ये ध्यान भी नहीं आया, मैं ऐसे नंबर दिया अपना एटीएम नंबर और ओटीपी भी दिया। जैसा मैं ओटीपी दिया तभी मेरे को क्लिक हो गया कि कुछ तो गलत हो गया, ये रॉन्ग हो गया। वैसे मैं कार्ड लॉक करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, तभी उनका डायरेक्ट मैसेज आया कि आपका 46,500 अपना डेबिट हो गया है।
The blow was harsher because Mangesh had just started saving again after spending his earlier savings on his brother's cancer treatment.
भाई को कैंसर हुआ था, तो उसके चक्कर में दो अढ़ाई साल हम लोग घूमा, ऑपरेशन भी किया, फिर टाटा में भी उसका ट्रीटमेंट चालू था, वो भी 1 साल किया ट्रीटमेंट, वो भी सक्सेस नहीं हो गया, फिर लास्ट में वो हो गया, ऑफ हो गया। बहुत ये किया हम लोग ने, लेकिन वो नहीं हो गया सक्सेस। वही सब बैंक बैलेंस वो उधर ही ख़त्म गया था उसके चक्कर में, जो फिर बाद में थोड़ा कुछ हो रहा था, तभी जाके ये 19 में ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, तो वो भी था बैलेंस, वो भी सब के सब वो ले गया। कुछ 250 रुपये कुछ बचा था, वो खाली बचा।
Mangesh's story is not one of its kind. This method of conning people is extremely common. The frauds contact people posing as employees of a bank, electricity company, or any other crucial service provider. They ask for the key personal information in the guise of updating their accounts or updating their KYC information, saying that non-compliance will result in the victim's accounts getting suspended. The frauds then initiate a transaction and ask the victim to share their OTP. By the time the victim realizes that the person on the call is an imposter, large chunks of money have been withdrawn from their accounts. According to the National Crime Record Bureau, 2,028 OTP frauds were recorded across the country in 2021, higher than the 1,093 frauds in 2020 and the 549 cases recorded in 2019 before the COVID-19 pandemic. Experts say this number is still very conservative since a lot of such cases go unreported.
Every second, 8 new people are added to this internet activity, and they are not aware about these cyber frauds. And by considering our population, there are very few complainants are there, very few victims are there, and people are not aware about such criminal activity, cybercrime criminal activity.
They add that a lot of cases are tough to identify because the frauds often customize their stories and modus operandi to their intended victim, going off stolen or purchased data. While some say they are calling about expiry of debit cards, some claim they are trying to update KYC details to keep phone numbers active, and others claim they are calling to offer a last chance to keep the electricity supply running.
Suppose if somebody has got a data of insurance sector, then they will target the script, they will script it, their scam around insurance. If somebody has got a data of credit card, so they will start calling you saying that your credit card needs to be updated or a KYC has to be done. So depending upon the data, which is the backbone of the scam, the scammers or the threat actors start building their campaigns around it.
Mangesh tried to act when he realized he had made a mistake in sharing his OTP. He rushed to his bank branch to lodge a complaint and even filed an FIR, but the money was gone and the con men remain at large.
वो यही दिन शाम को पुलिस स्टेशन गया, उधर एप्लीकेशन भी दिया, फिर अपना पालघर में अपने मैं विरार स्टेशन में दिया एप्लीकेशन दिया, फिर पालघर में जाके वो साइबर क्राइम वाले उधर भी एक एप्लीकेशन दिया, ऐसा फिर बैंक में भी उसका एप्लीकेशन दिया, ऐसा 2-3-4 महीना गया, चक्कर मारते गया, कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया।
Financial institutions and the authorities have been on overdrive to increase awareness of such crimes among citizens, saying this is the best way to prevent such frauds. They say any request for personal data, debit or credit card pins, or OTPs should immediately set off red flags and be reported. They also urge that any online transactions only be carried out through verified, secure portals, and no sensitive information or documents should be uploaded to unknown or untrusted portals. Other advice includes don't answer video calls from unknown numbers and don't fall for attractive offers, because if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In Mumbai, Santia Gora.